Want versatile features and arranger power? These Korg keyboards blend performance with practice-ready tech. First, Korg LP380, $1,499. The LP380 is an upright-style 88-key digital piano built for home performance and elegant presence. It looks like a compact upright that gives you digital convenience, weighted keys, refined piano voices, and a design that suits living rooms and studios. If you want a piano that doubles as furniture and serious instrument, this Korg balances looks and playability beautifully. Second, Korg EK50, 61-key, $499.99. For gigging or composing, the Korg EK50 arranger brings 61 keys with built-in styles and auto accompaniment. It's a fun, hands-on keyboard for solo performers who want instant backing bands and quick song creation. The interface is friendly for beginners but powerful enough for live shows. Choose this if you want creative freedom without carrying heavy rigs. Third, Korg portable semi-weighted LIANO, $349.99. The LIANO portable 61-key semi-weighted keyboard gives you an expressive touch at a very accessible price. It's light for travel, has enough velocity sensitivity to convey phrasing, and includes basic sounds and functions for practice or small performances. Great for students who need a better feel than sync action keys and for creators on a budget. Fourth, portable digital semi-weighted, Sustain, $299.99. This 61-key semi-weighted model includes a sustain pedal and compact design for quick setup. It's a practical choice for beginners who want a closer-to-piano feel without the size. Add a small amp or headphones and you've got an instant practice station, ideal for lessons, composing, or producing sketch ideas at home. Fifth, Korg Natural Touch Ensemble Learning, $399.99. The Natural Touch Ensemble is a 61-key learning keyboard with ensemble functions and teaching aids. It's built to make practice fun. Layered sounds, learning modes, and simple arrangement features help new players stay